Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Samsung charcoal filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the freshness and efficiency of your Samsung microwave, ensuring that every meal you reheat or cook is free from lingering odors and tastes, making it a crucial investment for any home chef or busy household looking to elevate their culinary experience. Number 5. GE Microwave Charcoal Filter Replacement 2-pack. Tired of lingering cooking smells? Our replacement filters will transform your kitchen into a more inviting space, making every meal a pleasure. These activated charcoal filters naturally eliminate odors, even in ductless microwaves. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher kitchen environment with ease. Crafted from high-quality materials, these filters are built for durability. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance in your kitchen. Our filters are packed with activated charcoal to effectively absorb even the toughest odors. Experience enhanced filtration that keeps your kitchen smelling great. These 8.67 by 3.95-inch filters are designed as a perfect replacement for various GE and Samsung microwave models. Ensure a seamless fit and optimal performance. What we like? This filter is designed to keep your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. It effectively eliminates odors, even in ductless microwaves. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution to combat cooking smells, this is a great choice. What people say. These filters work well and perform as advertised to minimize odors from my microwave vent. It was the correct size and replaces the stock filter exactly. Good fitment and easy to replace. Overall seems to work well for Samsung microwave. Number 4. Air filter factory replacement for Samsung microwave ovens. Introducing a high-quality replacement charcoal carbon filter designed for your microwave oven. This filter is proudly made in the USA, ensuring superior performance and durability. This filter is engineered for a perfect fit, replacing part numbers DE63-00367D, DE63-00367H, and DE63-30016D. It's designed for easy installation, with one filter included per package. Installed above your microwave door, it effectively absorbs smoke and odors. Its dense carbon fiber media provides superior filtration to keep your kitchen fresh. Please note that this filter is not washable and requires replacement every 6 months for optimal performance. Regular replacement ensures continued effectiveness. This filter measures 3 to 1516 x 8 to 1116 by 38. We recommend measuring your existing filter before ordering to ensure compatibility with your specific microwave model. It is compatible with a wide range of Samsung microwave models, including SMH7187STG, SMH1927W, and many others. Please check your model for compatibility. What we like? Experience superior filtration with this filter, proudly made in the USA. Its high-quality aluminum frame and dense carbon fiber media are designed to absorb smoke and odors effectively. If you prioritize American-made quality and robust odor absorption, this filter is ideal for you. What people say. The filter fits perfectly and is easy to install. It effectively reduces odors, keeping the kitchen smelling fresh. The charcoal material seems durable and well-made. Number 3. AMI Parts Microwave Charcoal Filter JX81H. Introducing the AMI Parts Microwave Charcoal Filter, designed to keep your kitchen air fresh. This filter is essential for maintaining a clean cooking environment. Each package comes with 4 high-quality filters. This ensures you have replacements readily available for continuous use. These filters are designed as a direct replacement for various part numbers, including JX81H and WB02X10956. Enjoy a seamless fit and easy replacement process. With dimensions of 4x8 to 34 by 38 inches, including an aluminum frame, they are perfectly sized for most microwaves. They effectively capture grease and odors. Installation is straightforward, simply replace your old filter with the new one. For best performance, we recommend replacing them every 6 to 12 months to ensure optimal air circulation and odor removal. We are committed to providing excellent customer support. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated team is here to help ensure your satisfaction. What we like? Get great value with this 4-pack of filters, ensuring you have replacements readily available. They are designed for easy installation and come with professional after-sales service for any questions. If you prefer to stock up and have peace of mind with reliable customer support, this option is perfect. What people say. Installation is just pulling the old one out and putting this new one in. And we have a spare. It was just the right fit for our GE PVM 9179BL3TS microwave. It matched its description and fitted properly. Quality was excellent and easy to put in microwave. This charcoal filter for the microwave is as good or better than the name brand that I previously purchased elsewhere. Number 2. AMI Parts JX81J Microwave Charcoal Filter, 4-pack. Introducing the AMI Parts JX81J Microwave Charcoal Filter, designed to keep your kitchen air fresh and clean. This pack includes 4 high-quality filters for your convenience. This filter replaces part numbers like JX81J, WB02X11124, and WB02X11536. It measures approximately 6.2 by 3.8 by 0.3 inches, ensuring a perfect fit. It is compatible with a wide range of GE and Hotpoint microwave models, including the JVM 1540MP2SA and HVM 1540 series. Check our list to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. This filter effectively captures grease particles and harmful fumes, preventing odors from recirculating. It helps maintain the taste and smell of your food, ensuring a pleasant cooking experience. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 4 months. This ensures a consistently fresh, clean, and safe kitchen environment for you and your family. Our filters are made with a charcoal mat and aluminum mesh for superior filtration. We also offer professional after-sales service to address any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This filter is specifically designed to collect grease particles and harmful fumes, preventing odors from affecting your food's taste. It's recommended for replacement every 4 months for optimal performance. If you're concerned about maintaining the pure taste of your food and want a filter that tackles grease effectively, consider this option. What people say. The filter is a direct replacement for the original. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. The charcoal material effectively absorbs odors. Number 1. Cut-to-fit microwave filter replacement. Tired of lingering odors in your kitchen? Our activated carbon filter sheets are made from top-quality materials to ensure a fresher, more inviting environment for your family. Experience top performance with our microwave charcoal filter. Made from highly absorbent coconut shell activated carbon, it effectively captures odors and impurities. We've enhanced our filter with extra carbon for superior odor absorption. It's designed to provide better filtration for your microwave hood vent. This versatile filter can be easily cut to size, ensuring a perfect fit for most framed charcoal filters. Replacing your old filter is simple and convenient. Installation is a breeze. Simply use your old filter as a template to cut the new one to size, ensuring a seamless fit and easy replacement. With over a decade of experience, we are a trusted brand for microwave vent filters. Our commitment to customer satisfaction makes our filters the preferred choice. What we like. Enjoy the flexibility of a universal fit with this cut-to-fit filter. Its design allows you to easily customize the size for most microwave brands, and it's enhanced with extra carbon for superior odor absorption. If you have a microwave from a less common brand or prefer a filter you can precisely tailor to your needs, this is the one to get. What people say. I like the size and the ability to cut to the size I need. Very easy to use, and with the correct cutting, they will fit perfectly. It seems to work well enough in keeping the stovetop cooking or frying odors down. This was easy to cut for the size of my grease trap and easy to self-install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.